But there's things to watch in the sky. All right, so in the early evening, we now have Jupiter. Jupiter's at opposition in a few days, actually in 2 days, which means it's opposite the sun in the sky. It rises when the sun sets, sets when the sun rises. Some recent pictures of it, and you can see the beautiful red spot, which is actually kind of dark in color. It's not too hard to see in a telescope now. The rest of the planets are up in the early morning. You'll be able to see Mars and Saturn especially. Jupiter's the big thing in the evening, but we have Mars and Saturn in the morning sky.
And remember, Jupiter is Jack Black.
That's right.
Easy to remember, Jupiter Jack.
Here's another recent amazing amateur image of Mars. Actually, it's very hard to see the features on Mars right now, but with video and computers, you can capture stuff and record it. And here you actually see a big cloud on the center left of Mars. Saturn, of course, is a stunning sight. If you haven't seen it before, well, it's what inspired Colonel Griffith to give this building to the city. According to the story, he was so moved, he thought everybody has to see that. Only to see it now, you have to be up at about 4 in the morning. But wait till the summer, it'll be up nice and high in the evening then. Okay, getting up early will be harder soon because we go on daylight saving time on Sunday the 13th. And we have spring coming up on the 19th. And I suppose we'll have some kind of show here at sunset and also at noon on the 19th.
Yeah.
If you haven't gotten your ticket now, you're not going to see this total eclipse that's happening on the evening of the 8th, our time.
So, as you can see, the path of totality is not anywhere near the United States. You have to travel down to the South
That's
Pacific
right.
to see it.
But our director, Dr. Krupp, is going to Indonesia to see this one. Now, what we get stuck with in Los Angeles is like the most boring kind of eclipse called a penumbral eclipse. It's where the moon kind of passes through the outer fuzzy part of the Earth's shadow, and very indefinite looking. You may see this for about half an hour on the morning of March 23rd, somewhere around between 4 and 5 in the morning. Again, you can check all this stuff on the Sky Report, which I record weekly, but in case you're interested, this is what it looked like 18 years, 11 days, and 8 hours before that one Saros cycle. That's the cycle that eclipses repeat almost exactly the same. So this is what that eclipse looked like in 1998, one Saros before.
Wow.
See, the eclipse is just that faint shading on the bottom of the moon.
So in the world of must-do, it's not so much a must-do.
No. Just a reminder that we do have a chance, everybody in the continental U.S. has a chance to go drive or fly or however you want to get to it, an eclipse next year in August 21st.
And you must do it. I'm sorry. I'm ordering everybody in here to do it. I get this way about this because it's such a beautiful sight. It will change your life. It will change your life. Yeah. And you must see it. So plan now. If you haven't already got your piggy bank going, do it. And all this information is on the internet. But you must be somewhere between those lines. Partial is not good enough.
No, it's nothing like a total eclipse. Next weekend will be the ideal time for the Messier Marathon. That's where you can see all of the Messier objects in one night, with maybe a couple exceptions that are awfully close to the horizon. But Messier was the fellow who used a telescope to find all these fuzzy-looking things in the sky. He liked discovering comets and was thrown off by fuzzy things that look like comets but looked like they were a permanent part of the night sky, so he cataloged them. Although now we recognize that these are some of the most stunning things, like M31 is the Andromeda Galaxy, M42 is the Orion Nebula, and in one night you can see all of these due to the way they're distributed. So.
But not here.
Yeah.
No, you need to go
telescope in a
get together with an astronomy club and go out on one of the star parties that should be going on then.